Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today on this episode of Newegg Now, I'm going to walk you guys through my upcoming PC build. We're going to talk about the different parts and components I'm going to be using. If you're interested in anything that you see here, the links to them will be in the video description below. I did purchase all these products myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. Shout out to Newegg for sponsoring today's video. Thank you for all the support. Now let's go ahead, let's check out each item and part of this build. So first up, you can see still in the box, we have the NZXT H510. This is a compact mid-tower ATX case with USB Type-C up front. This also features a tempered glass panel. We have the white and black option. They have a black and black option and a black and red option. Next up, you can see we got the Msi B550apro Motherboard. This is the AM4 socket, PCIe 4.0 ready. You can see they added a sticker onto the box where it's showing us that it supports Ryzen 5000 series processors, but it also supports 3rd gen Ryzen processors. Keep in mind though, it's not compatible with Ryzen 5 3400G and the Ryzen 3 3200G processor. We can flip it over to the backside. You can see why I chose this specific board. This is a pretty budget-friendly build, and this still had PCIe 4.0 and supported USB Type-C on our NZXT case. So you can see the I/O right here. And we have our tech specs as well. We have one PCIe 4.0 x16 slot and one 3.0 x16 slot. You can see our USB port breakdown right here. We have two of our USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports and gigabit LAN. Here's some more features on this board: core boost, extended heatsink design, Gen 4 ready, M.2 shield. We have the AMD Turbo USB. That's the USB 3.2 Gen 2. We have that front USB Type-C, DIY friendly and airflow optimized. Next up, the brains of the unit right here, we got the Ryzen 5 5600X, a 6-core 12-thread processor featuring PCIe 4.0, 4.6 gigahertz max boost with a 3.7 gigahertz base. Keep in mind, to use this processor, you will need a discrete graphics card. Making this a little bit better of a deal in value is that this does include its own heatsink fan, so we have our thermal solution provided right in the box. Next up, you can see we have the Corsair Vengeance LPX DDR4. We have 16 gigs total for this build, two 8 gigabyte sticks. In the future, if we want, we can throw in another 2 sticks to bring that total to 32. This is optimized for Intel and AMD. Low profile memory for high performance overclocking. You can see our speed, 3200 megahertz. The latency for this is C16. Keep in mind, typically you want a higher speed here and a lower latency rating for the best performance. But you can see our 2 sticks of 16 gigabyte DDR4 from Corsair. Bringing in those blazing fast speeds, we have a 250 gigabyte Samsung 970 EVO Plus NVMe M.2 drive. This is available in multiple storage capacities ranging from 250 all the way up to 2 terabytes. This is a PCIe 3.0 drive with read and write speeds up to 3,500 megabytes a second for our read and 3,300 megabytes a second for our write speeds. And we have a 5-year warranty with this Samsung drive. Powering the build is the Corsair CV550 ATX power supply with an 80 plus bronze rating right there. This is a non-modular power supply. You can see some of the quick tech specs right here. 150 by 125, so we have that compact length. 80 plus bronze certified and 120 millimeter fan tuned for low noise operation. And you can learn more about the efficiency rating, the fan noise level, and our AC input rating and our DC output rating. But you can see 550 watts. This is available in multiple capacities ranging from 450 watts all the way up to 750 watts, and it features a 3-year warranty. Last but not least, we can't forget about our Asus TUF Gaming video graphics card. This is an RTX 3060 with 12 gigs of GDDR6 graphics memory, OC edition, and it works with Asus' own Aura Sync technology. We can flip it over to the backside. You can learn more about this card and its cooling, its rigid structure, its durability, and the software you can use to tweak performance. Here's some of those key features: 2nd gen ray tracing cores, 3rd gen tensor cores, PCIe 4.0. We have multiple display ports, 3 DisplayPort 1.4As, and we have 2 HDMI 2.1 ports with this card. And you can see we got the triple fan design. So we're on Newegg's homepage right here, and right under the search bar, you can see we can select PC Builder, and here we go. We have multiple options. We have a budget build, a mainstream, and an enthusiast build. We can build with Intel, AMD, or view a pre-built option. So let's select view pre-build. So you can see the pre-built option right here for $15.99. We can get an RTX 3060, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte M.2 drive, a 10700 from Intel. Pretty cool. Very simple. You could obviously order that one and be done. Or if you want to, let's say, build with Intel, you can select the build with Intel option. Here we go. You have a build right here populated for you. You can save to your list and edit if you want. You could just go right to the cart and purchase that and build the PC yourself. Then we have multiple options right here. We could browse and edit out that list if we want. You can see the total price right there, 1,800 bucks. Pretty cool though. So very simple. And again, multiple budget options for you. Over 2K, sub 2K, sub 1K. Let's see the sub 1K pre-built. $999.99. So we get the 1660 Super and a 10400 Intel i5. And then you can see if we want, instead of the pre-builts, we can select our own components. And keep in mind, right now at the time of this video, components are few and far between. But let's go ahead, let's select a CPU. And we can see that list again. So just for fun, let's do the 11700. Now you can see, here's motherboards. And again, you can piece it together from there. Here's your list of compatible motherboards. What do you want? You can browse by form factor, max memory, memory slots, your chipset, rating, price. Here we go, max price, min price. Here's our best ratings right now. So we could select one of those. Then you can see we're ready for our memory. So you can get a feel. It's very simple and straightforward. Let's browse by rating. So here we go. Let's select. Oh, we got higher ratings right here. Well, more ratings, I guess, not as good, but let's select for the price. Yeah, we'll select that one. Now you can see video, graphics cards, not many options right here. But you can see if we wanted to. Select. So you can see if we want to get that one, a complete build with assembly service is required. So there we go. Rip the stock. We can try this guy. Same thing. Couple more options down here, but you can see the prices are, you know, all over the place. So you could select a GPU. We can go to cases now. Let's just select, let's do the ratings again. Let's select this guy. You guys seeing this though? We can just very easily pick what we want. Sure, let's do the Corsair one. Actually, let's do our rating. All right, it's a different one. Selected. Done. What storage do we want? We definitely want SSDs. Western Digital Black's a good choice. Western Digital Blue as well. The Samsung 860 Evo series. All right, let's select this first one. Oh no, we want the M.2. Excuse me. Not the 2.5-inch form factor. We could add additional as well. Let's do another SSD. Let's browse by capacity. Let's do the 4 terabyte big boy. And just for fun, why don't we go back to GPU? Let's just put one in. So what do we got? 1080 for 1,200 bucks. Sure, just for fun, can we add any of these? 1050 Ti. All right, there we go. Add to cart if we want, check out. It's that simple to design and build your own PC. So stay tuned for the upcoming build video where I'm going to walk you guys through how to build this PC step by step. We're also going to benchmark the new build. We'll look at some of the individual performance metrics for some of the parts and components as well. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.